Now I would like to Mr. Mohammad Rafiq from class 7. Please come to stage and topic and speech about topic Islamic society. Please, Mr. Rafiq. نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد إن الدين عند الله الإسلام صدق الله العظيم وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم الدين كله أدب وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم في مقام آخر بلغوا عني ولو آية أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, praise be to Allah, Lord of the world, the Beneficent, the Merciful, honor of the day of judgment. Dear my teachers and my class fellows, today my topic is Islamic democracy. Dear President, the modern democratic state is a type of state which came into existence in 19th century, largely as an effect of French Revolution and the Industrial Revolution of the slowed nation state of 16th and the 17th century. Dear brothers, but the Islamic State came into existence in the 7th century as an effect of greatest revolution of world, which was not only political and economic, but also social and ethical. Dear my listeners, Islam is a great religion and it is revelation every aspect of human life, so Islamic democracy. In its connotation and wider than Western democracy. Allah says, O mankind, I created you out of a single pair of a male and female, the most honored of you. Sight of Allah is he who is the most righteous of you. Dear my brothers, so according to Islam, no one is superior except which are most blessed and righteous. Dear my guests, everyone is got its equal rights of progress in Islamic society. Dear brothers, in capitalistic society, money determines one's place in society. This is against the spirit of Islam. Dear my class fellows, Islam ensures social justice and economic for all by a comprehensive system. Dear my friends, Islam is very best religion because this political equality or rule of law of capitalistic democracy is also fully secured in Islam. Thanks wa ma alayna illa al-balagh al-mubin.
MashaAllah. That was a student, Mr. Rafiq, class Mukufun Alay. He was speaking in front of you about topic Islamic society.